Hi viewers, this is Salman and you are watching Zettalysis. In this video, I have this OnePlus 9 Pro 5G and here you can see that in the dialer menu, by dialing * pound 06 pound, you can see that its IMEIs are gone corrupted. All the IMEIs are changed to zeros. You can also confirm this in this setting menu. In this about phone, you can see that and the status its IMEIs are gone corrupted. It's on Android 11. It's on security page 2021-301 and here you can see that this model is LE2125, which means that it's a global USA variant single SIM and it's a Snapdragon 888 12 to 56GB variant. To repair its IMEI, first we have to enable its diagnostic mode. The code for opening diagnostic mode is * *801 pound and you can see that it's not working here. Also the second code is * *8011 pound and also it's not working. So in this video I will show all the steps to repair its IMEI while these codes are not working. And the most important thing is that this whole process is free. So there are two methods to open it is factory mode or open its diagnostic port mode. First one is an official way to unlock its factory mode. First note down its IMEI. You can see that there are 15 0 digits. Now come to this Windows interface. Go to this link. I will place this link in the description of this video so you can click from there. So here click on this unlock for 10 minutes only. Put your IMEI here, that is 15 0 digits only. After that just click on this convert and here you can see that we got this code. This is the unlock code for factory mode. Now just to unlock this factory mode, dial * pound 5646 pound and this QR code scanner appeared. Just swipe back and here now enter this passcode. And I entered this code. Just click on this OK and here you can see that decrypted successfully, valid for 10 minutes only. Now go to this dialer menu. Dial * pound 801 pound and here you can see that the factory mode is now unlocked. Now to open the diagnostic port mode, you can either toggle this engineering mode or toggle this R&DS diagnostic switch mode. These both switches are going to give you an open diagnostic port. So now I will show you another method to open this diagnostic port mode. For that, download this engineering mode APK. I will give the link of this APK file in the description of this video. You can directly download from there. So transfer this file into your phone. So from here just copy this engineering mode APK. Paste inside this. When it's pasted, now install this APK from this file manager. Go to this downloads, go to this storage. From here just install this Android mode APK. When it is installed, so now you can see that in the dialer menu, just if you dial * pound 801 pound, now you can see that there are two applications for this factory mode. One is the factory mode. Do remember that this is the real one of this OnePlus, and the engineering mode, that is the APK that we installed right now. Now just tap here on this engineering mode, tap this just once and here now you can toggle this engineering mode or this R&DS dash switch. So I am going to toggle this engineering mode. In the Windows interface, just open this device manager to check this connection or newly generated port. Here you can see that if I plug this USB, the port is generating on the PC screen. Make sure to install this Oppo Qualcomm drivers for this OnePlus phones. Now open this Miracle 2.89, that is free. You can search this on internet anywhere. Just run this as an administrator. Click on this start. Now go to this Qualcomm tab. Now just click on this repair tab, this repair security options. When you click on this, now the important thing is now click on this Oppo method new. Any other method is not working for this OnePlus phones. Even if you select this OnePlus method, it's even not going to work for this type of models, these OnePlus models, because only the method is working is Oppo method new. Just select this method. From here, just select this port. Now type any IMEI what you want, whatever you want, but make sure that to type the original device's IMEIs. IMEI change is illegal in many countries. First check whatever your IMEI is. You can see that all the IMEIs are 0. Now just to show the demonstration, I am just typing this 111, 15 digits 1. Then just click on this start button and IMEI write successful, IMEI repair OK. Now that means the process is successfully completed and the IMEIs are repaired actually. So just reboot this phone and check the repaired IMEIs. So now we can easily remove this USB cable now because all the process is done for now. Hey, this is just rebooting right now. If you have any questions, if you have any doubts, if you want to ask something from me, please ask in comments. I will respond to your queries, your questions. Now we can check the repair IMEI function by dialing static #06#. Successfully we can see that now it's changed to 11111, and we can triply check this repaired IMEI in the settings menu in the about section, and in this status field there you can see that the IMEIs are 11111. It's on Android 11. This was all about for this video. Close this device manager from you. Now you can close this Miracle Thunder. We know that the whole YouTube is now cluttered with the fake videos. Everybody is just posting the fake videos. So that's how the real users and real viewers are discouraging by viewing those videos. Personally, I discourage such YouTubers. They should not do like that. If you want to find more genuine, accurate information about these topics, you can find on my channel. All the videos are free. You do not have to spend a single penny for that. All the content is tested. You can see the live proof in my videos. You found this content, and if you are watching this video because the YouTube showed this video to you, and this is about the YouTube's algorithm. So this may be my last video that you are watching if you forget to subscribe. So in this way, I am just telling you the power of hitting the subscribe. Just trust me that you are not going to even lose a single, even a half penny from your pocket. Your pocket will be untouched by hitting this red subscribe. So I hope that I delivered you a great and amazing content in such an amazing and explaining way. So I will see you all in my next video. So until then, keep smiling.